Good morning, class 2 students. How are you all? It's your English class, and as you know that we are dealing with Unit 1 Evergreens, and we have done the reading as well as we are dealing with exercise and step by step the parts of this exercise. Clear? Now today we will do page number 19 and 20, and there is an English terminology you can see on the page, and it's about homophones. So we should have a complete understanding first of all about the homophones. So let's see what are homophones. Clear? Okay, textbook page number 19 and 20, homophones. Page number 19 and 20, homophones. Okay, same words, same sound words, but different spelling and different meanings are called homophones. What are homophones? Means the sound is same of the word, but different spellings are there and their meanings are also different. For example, see, see. Look, the words are same sound, the spellings are different, the meanings are different. Means see is to see something, to look, have a look to something. Or see, you can see means the river and sea. Clear? On the other side, deer and deer. Deer is animal, and dear, a person is very dear to you, means a dear friend, just like this. Same words, means same sound of these words, but spellings are different, meanings are different. Clear? Okay, here and here. Here means to listen something, or here is the place, or it means you are standing here or over there. Here and there. Clear? But spellings are different, meanings are different, but the sound is same. That's why these words are also called homophones. Meat and meat. Meat of some animal means cow, camel, goat, whatever, or meat to meet somebody physically. Clear? Week and week. Week means a full week, whole days, means Saturday, from Saturday to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These are all the weekdays. And weak, to feel weak in yourself, in your body, or whatever is about your health. Clear? So this is an extra example. It's not on your book, but I have just keep a proper understanding to you about homophones. That's why I have written over here some examples. Okay, now you have a complete understanding about homophones. What are homophones? A same sound of words, but different meanings and different spellings as well. Clear? Okay, now come to the book on page number 19. Okay, there are some words given on the box. Plane, plane. Flew, flew. Two, two, and two. This two is for preposition word. This two means as well, to add something more, and this two is a counting word. Clear? On the same way, plane is about the surface area, means a smooth surface. You can say that a plane surface, or plane is aeroplane. Flew and flew. Flew means to fly, whether the birds are flying on the sky, in the sky, these type of things. Or flu, it's a disease. Clear? Okay, heard and heard. Heard means to listen. It's a second form of hear, but it's a second form of hear. Here, second form of hear is herd, and this is herd means a group of animals. Both means same sound of words, but different in spellings as well as meanings. Fir and fir. Fir is a tree. Means it should very clear to you, because we have discussed Okay, now we will do page number 19 according to the homophones words. Two words are given on the box but you have to collect the pick the correct one word or place over here in the blank. Clear? It is fun to travel in a plane. Means plane, aeroplane. Let's talk about plane, or as I've told you earlier that plane is a surface area, or you can say that smooth surface over here. But the suitable word that is over here in the blank, that is plane. It's fun to travel in a plane. Number 2, we were given a dash sheet of paper to write. Which one? Plain sheet, smooth sheet. Clear? We were given a plain sheet of paper to write. We will not write over here the plane, this one plane, because it's talk about the traveling part or traveling device is an aeroplane, but a smooth surface thing is this one, this word that related to this word, plane. So here we are talking about the sheet or plain sheet. So this plain word is used over here. Number 3, two words are given on the same way, flew and flew. The bird flew over the hill. Means, as I have told you that this flew meaning is to fly, means about related to the birds. So that's why where the word is used over here, the bird flew over the hill. Okay, the boy is down with flu, so he cannot go to school. Flu is a disease, as I've told you. So the boy is down, he is feeling down with this disease, with flu disease. That's why he is not able to go to school. Clear? So flu is used over here. Clear? Okay. Number 5. 2 and 2 make 4. Means 2 preposition 2 is used for 2 as well, or 2 is a counting word. So obviously if the 4 means 2 or 2 to count these two, so there is it make 4. So this 2 is used over here, not TO or not TWO. Clear? Number 6. We are going school. So which one? To school or TWO to school? No. The preposition is used over here, to. Clear? I like him too. Means I like that person or what that boy or that friend too. Also. It is used for also or as well. Clear? Okay. So these 3 words are clear now. Okay, number 8. We dash noise. I have told you that here the second form of here is heard. So heard is used to listen something. So if it talk about the noise, obviously we are using over here the word heard. 2 words are given over here, heard and heard. So what will be the suitable word? Heard. Clear? HEARD, heard. Okay, number 9. The dash of cattle were in the meadow. As I've told you, meadow means fields, or cattle means animals, cow or whatever means goat. These type of animals are over there. Group of animals are called, or group of animals is called the word that is heard. So that's why if there is talking about the animals, so we'll use the word heard. Clear? So these 2 words also suitable for these blanks. We heard a noise and the herd of cattle were in the meadow. Okay, the last 2 homophones are fur and fur. You can see? Okay. Number 10. The fir tree is an evergreen tree. As I have told you, or we have read about evergreen trees. So this is also evergreen tree, as I have told you earlier, or we can see the picture of this tree clearly. Okay, we have done page number 19 of textbook. In the same way, the homophones or these type of words are also given on your workbook page number 12. Look at your workbook page number 12, each part. Join each tableau word with its picture. Look at the words are hook, spoon, broom, foot, moon, boot, wood, book. Means the center words are the same, double words, and the first and the last word is letter is different. Clear? But the sound almost same of all these words. For example, foot, you will match over here. Hook, hook. Spoon, broom, for your cleanliness. Okay. Moon, boot, wood, and book. Clear? This is the page of your workbook, page number 12. Done? Okay. On page number 10, let's do the E part. Write one sentence each about the animal, the flower, and the vegetable you like the best. Means you will write by your own self. I like which one animal. Clear? Just one line over here about animal. Means I like animal. If, for example, I like cat because of it's very soft. Clear? So you will write by your own. It's your task. You will write by your own on the book. On this book, E part, page number 10, workbook, page number 10, E part. I like cat or whatever your favorite animal is. Write down over here. And why? Means one quality, write down over here. On the same way, number 2, I like flower. Which one flower? I like rose because I like the color of red rose. I like its color, its fragrance. You can write over here like this. Means I am talking about my own sharing with you. Okay. In the same way, I like peas or whatever means vegetable. I like radish, carrot, spinach. Means it's up to you. Why? Because it's very much delicious. I like to eat whatever it. I like potatoes. Clear? Like this you will write by your own. Clear? Okay. Now once again we have to complete page number 19 and 20 of textbook. So we have done the homophones, and the next one is unkind or rude word. You not to be use unkind or rude words to the other people. Clear? For example, if someone gives you something, so you should say thank you. Clear? These words are used, means you should use these words in your routine life. Don't be unkind to anyone. For example, on the next page you can see these pictures. Picture 1, a girl, I think she can see a lovely drawing of a person and she is going to praise that drawing. On the same way, the girl is holding the luggage or means heavy bag or heavy thing, heavy books of the other boy. Helping means helping. She is helping of the boy. In the same way, in the third picture, he is also helping that boy. He's fallen down on the earth, on the ground. Okay, these 3 pictures are over here. So you will write about your own Okay, page number 20, your textbook. The last one part of page 20, that is blanks. Complete the following sentences. Choose the correct words from the box. So by correct meaning, or by understanding the correct meaning or these sentences as well, write down or pick the correct word and place over here in the blank. Clear? The first one is, we should save our earth. We should save our earth. Number 2, we should not keep dash tabs running unnecessarily. So tab, if we talking about tab, so tab word is written over here. So the one thing that is click in our mind, that it is related to the water. So suitable word should be the water. We should not keep water tabs running unnecessarily, means use the water tabs if you have, means if you are doing something or for necessary, for your essential work, not unnecessarily use the tabs or waste the water. Clear? Number 3, we should dash tree to make our earth green. We should plant tree, means if we want our earth is full of greenery, and greenery is there, so you should plant trees for, means we should not write over here earth, light, save, means the suitable word should be the plant. Means we should plant trees to make our earth green. Clear? Number 4, we should switch off dash when we leave a room. We should switch off lights. When we leave a room, we should switch off the lights to waste the electricity. Means to save the electricity, we shouldn't waste the electricity. Clear? So that's why always when you leave the room, so switch off the lights. Okay. Number 5, we should not throw garbage here and there. Means it should be your habit to throw the garbage into the dustbin or into the box that is means that is in your home for the garbage or for the rubbish. So don't throw the rubbish or the garbage over here, your wrappers, your means other things over here and there in your surroundings. Number 6, we should save our environment. We should save our environment. Mean how we can save our environment? By helping, means to throw the garbage properly in the dustbin, or means to reduce the smoke of the other things or in the factories. Means these are all the things which we can easily use to save our environment clean. It's our responsibility because we are over here in this environment, we are living in this environment, so it's our obligation, our first obligation, to save our surrounding or our environment. Clear? Okay students, we have done these 2 pages, page number 19 as well as page number 20, both. Everything is clear to you. First of all, we have talked about the homophones. Everything is clear, and in this way we have done the page number 11 of E part or H part of your book as well, page number 12 on your workbook, or page number 10 E part of your workbook, and page number 19, some unkind or rude words shouldn't be used over here with our friends or with the people that is our in surrounding. And look at the pictures, you should write by your own, by helping these words or these sentences, write down the proper words over here. And we have done this as well. So our page number 9, 19 or 20 is almost done.